The simple thing that we do when we see that we are exposed to infections when we're traveling, if there is… if we see there are viral infections or influenza going on, all these years of my visits to United States, I don't catch influenza when it's running rampantly all over. The simple thing is just this: hot water, a little bit of honey, little bit of turmeric, and if it is possible, some pudina or coriander in it a little bit. And every 3 hours if you drink it, respiratory infections won't happen to you because first they have a tendency… I'm sorry I'm saying all this to the doctors but this is how we understand. If I am wrong, please point it out. We believe that all these infections first lodge themselves in your throat and then they go into the respiratory tract. But if you drink these substances, warm water with honey, turmeric and coriander or pudina, then that goes into the stomach bag and there they are not very effective, they can't cause much damage to you. So like this, every 3 hours if you… those of you who are in the hospitals like this, if the hospital itself can provide that, it'll be great. Right now, this is what we are doing to all the police personnel and the medical personnel in our region. We are providing them what is called as Nilavembu Kashayam, which works very well. We did this across Tamil Nadu when the dengue fever was on, it made a big difference. These kind of things can be done to boost the immune system. In all the hospitals, if it is kept there with warm water and this, that medical personnel can drink every few hours instead of drinking just plain water. If they just drink this as a part of their thing, I think it will definitely help. It has helped me in from the… I'm just telling you grandmother stuff, not medical stuff, okay? But it's worked. It worked for my grandmother, it worked for me.
Thank you so much. Practical wisdom, and that's why we all admire you so much.